Welcome for watching of the video how to fix end screen in this channel. This channel is designed for the hoping of helping related approach in different environments. You may come across one situation that the YouTube end screen is disappeared, but you may remember that it is running normally before. You may want to know that what has been happened and how to fix the end screen. Although there are different cases that may cause this sort of problem, one possible case of the end screen will be discussed in this video. If you think this video is good, you can consider to like this video. If you do not want to miss other video in this channel, you can consider to subscribe this channel with bell notification. You may still remember that the YouTube end screen has been set before. It seems that the setting of the YouTube end screen is something like this. You may remember that it is also run normally, and the end screen appears normally at the end of the video before. But you may discover that the YouTube end screen may disappear one day. When the video is displayed, the end screen may not be found at the end of the video. It is wondered that what has been happened to the end screen. Is the setting of the video changed, and what is the change? How to fix it? How to make the end screen reappears again? Although there are different cases that may cause this sort of problem, one possible case is that the visibility has been changed to private from the previous setting of public before. You may need to check the visibility of the video. The visibility of the video is changed back to public and the save button is clicked. Running the video again. The end screen reappears again in this case. This video may be helpful in saving the time for fixing the end screen problem. If you think this video is good, you can consider to like this video. If you do not want to miss other video in this channel, you can consider to subscribe this channel with bell notification. Thank you very much for your watching of this how to fix end screen in this channel. You can also watch the other related videos such as the how to create YouTube cards, new upload, and the how to create YouTube end screen, new upload, in this channel. Hope that you can find this video helpful.